My name is James Hall. I am a Technical Director at J&G Systems, and we're at St Anne's Catholic High School for Girls in Enfield. J&G Systems is an IT consultancy firm based in East London. We've been going for 20 years or so. We mainly work with schools in and around London and the home counties. Here at St Anne's we run a fully managed system. We look after everything from desktop computers, servers, network infrastructure, absolutely everything. Before we were brought on board, St Anne's faced a few challenges. The main challenge for them was server hardware. Server hardware was getting very out of date, low on storage, and it cost a lot to run and keep cold. There were some other issues around with the network itself. It was incredibly slow to log on and slow to use. The site itself had major power issues, constant power cuts, constant outages. One of the big issues that we were facing was a lack of storage. People not being able to save work effectively, and they really wanted to start working with big multimedia files, Photoshop drawings, Illustrator work, etc, etc. And the server just didn't have the capacity. We were approached by St Anne's and they brought us in to sort of help them through the network migration. The best solution for St Anne's was a virtual cluster scenario. For that we required a SAN. We looked at some of the competitors, the likes of Dell, the likes of HP. We had a look at some of the pricing and we decided perhaps we don't have this kind of money. We then started looking at Netgear, their ReadyNAS product, and put it side by side with the Dells and the HPs, and decided that this is a quarter of the price and has all the features that we need. The 4200 unit that we selected was incredibly easy for us to set up, incredibly flexible for what we wanted to achieve. We had our virtual servers connected to it in a matter of hours, and basically had the entire system running off of it in a couple of days. When we were moving towards the virtualization platform, we had originally budgeted almost £20,000 to do this project, and after looking at the Netgear solution and implementing it, we reduced our costs from about £20,000 to about £14,000. Immediately we were able to notice the benefits of moving to a virtual platform using our Netgear SAN. We'd almost eliminated downtime, which meant that students and staff could operate 24/7. They liked to work remotely, and we no longer had any issues of servers being offline and things not being accessible to them. With the money we saved, we were able to reinvest the excess of our budget back into buying new teacher PCs so that they could more effectively run their lessons in classrooms that never had PCs before. Now that we've moved to this environment, we're now looking to deploy a new media lab where students will be able to work with movie files, large image files, photography and other artwork.